So, okay, with the long list of injuries and further injuries in this match, I don't know whether Ravi Shastri is in good shape to take the field. So, who are your 11 for Brisbane? Who replaces Jadeja and Vihari if they are not available? And whether you will have Pant also playing, which is addition from our previous topic. So, who makes your 11 starting from Rahul? So if you can give me from 1 to 11, yeah.
मेरे को तो लग रहा है ये मैदान टाइप सिलेक्शन होगा कि किसी को भी अगर बॉलिंग बैटिंग बैट पकड़ पा रहा है सुबह सुबह तो ओके दे आर इन द टीम मतलब दिस इज द कंडीशन राइट
But for a like-to-like replacement, I think Ravi Shastri can fit in Ravindra Jadeja's shoes. Being a left armer and a all-rounder, don't you think that's a like-for-like replacement?
we will have to replace stumps by something else for Ravi Shastri to aim at.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, so seriously speaking, सच में पता नहीं है. So the thing is, the spot that I'm most worried about is Ashwin's spot. Whether Ashwin would be fit enough to bowl 30-40 overs. 3 दिन मतलब there's no not enough gap right between third and fourth test. 4 दिन में मैच शुरू हुआ है. So if we lose Ashwin, तब तो हम लोग के पास 11 प्लेयर है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. Because Jaddu will be replaced by a bowler. Batsman तो है नहीं ऐसे भी टीम में. And you are a bowler short. We saw what happened in the second innings यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
So and so you Gaba है तो you won't take Kuldeep. So naturally one of Shardul or Dean Natarajan would come in. हाँ, it could be Natarajan for a left arm option. It could be Shardul Thakur. वो depend करता है कि वो कैसा कौन perform कर रहा है.
Shardul gives batting as well. Some batting. So
that's in T20 he can qualify as a.
हाँ वही अभी यहाँ पे वो पैट कमिन का जब बाउंसर आएगा ना वहाँ पे ब्रिस्बेन में 150 किलोमीटर पर आवर में तो वो शार्दुल ठाकुर का तो वो बैट्समैनशिप नहीं दिखेगा. ठीक है. So I don't see any of our remaining bowlers as a batting option. मतलब purely as a bowler ही तुमको उसी मिनट पे लेना पड़ेगा. तो that's one option.
So let's take it this way. I'll say so. Top 4 is fixed, same as this match.
हाँ.
Okay. So our concern starts with number 5. So who walks in at 5 in the next match? So what is your pick?
Pant would be there as number 5.
Pant. So Mayank, your call for number 5. And then you can
I think Mayank Agarwal should slot in at 4 and Rahane should be 5.
Okay. And then 6 and 7 Pant. You can take. Pant at 6.
Pant. Yeah. Rahul?
हाँ ये अच्छा ऑप्शन है. That we get Mayank in the middle order. But मेरे को थोड़ा doubtful लग रहा है अभी भी कि what will the team management do? There is no other middle order batsman. So either have Mayank slot in late या फिर you drop Gill. मतलब
at 4. Like, the way we have had the opening in this match, I don't think we are touching 1 and 2. Otherwise, I would have dropped Gill to 4.
Yeah, now you can't drop him. Yeah, now you can't drop him.
Now our openers are fixed. They are not moving. I'm okay to slot in Mayank Agarwal at 3 and push Pujara down, but usually you don't touch Pujara or you don't touch Kohli like you never touched Sachin, something like that. So I think he should slot in at 4, but I'm okay with him at 3 also. But Mayank Agarwal has to play. There is no option.
So where he plays is an issue, but of course he has to play. Mayank Agarwal.
3 or 4, mostly 4.
So we have now 6 batsmen, and if Ashwin is fit, then we have the 4 bowlers. तो अभी
एक बॉलर शॉट है ना. Jaddu.
Ashwin is your number 7.
Ashwin is okay, number 7, if Jadeja is not there. Then,
Jadeja is already ruled out, so he is not.
yeah,
Then you have the 3 fast bowlers जो इस मैच में खेले हैं. Then there's one open slot.
one open slot is there. So that can only be Saha, no? Who is left?
नहीं, that will be another bowler.
You need a bowler. You need a
3
bowler.
बॉलर से 4 बॉलर से नहीं खेल पाएंगे.
नहीं होगा.
Yeah,
That's
but
such an
already the
inexperienced
pitch
bowling
is
है ना.
assisting your bowling. Then you need to strengthen your batting. No?
नहीं पर बैटिंग में ऐसा कोई बहुत तोड़फोड़ प्लेयर तो है नहीं.
Who will you will play Saha or will you
टीम
play
में बात यही है ना,
Prithvi Shaw?
स्क्वाड में देयर इज नो अदर पर्सन.
You get another bowler because none of your top 5 bowls. Right? You won't get a single over out of them. Top 6. You won't get a single over. You need 5 bowlers. There is
और
nothing you can
ऑलरेडी
do.
बहुत ही मतलब 3 मैच हो चुके हैं. इट्स नॉट एज इफ द स्ट्राइक बॉलर्स आर कंप्लीटली फ्रेश, राइट? अगर कोई भी लंबा इनिंग चला गया ना तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
And strangely, the 4th test match, you only have 4 days gap. This is very strange. Should have been longer. But
But
अरे ऑलरेडी इतना क्वारंटाइन में रह चुके हैं यार. दे वांट टू रिटर्न होम.
But 5 स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर से तो बैटिंग बहुत ही वीक हो जाएगा ना, मतलब.
You have to go with that. The thing is that you don't have a strong batsman coming in. अगर आप वीक बैट्समैन को ले रहे हो उससे अच्छा यू टेक अ स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर.
मतलब साहा उतना बैटिंग तुमको नहीं देगा ना.
But
तुमको
at least-
पृथ्वी शॉ अभी उस फॉर्म में है कि उतना बैटिंग देगा.
एटलीस्ट कीपिंग
What
तो
do you do?
स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं ना. एटलीस्ट लेट अस सेफगार्ड जो कर सकते हैं हम लोग ना. एक शार्दुल ठाकुर को खिला के तो आप चांस ही ले रहे हैं ना, बट साहा के साथ तो चांस नहीं है ना. यू नो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट.
आई थिंक यही होगा. आई थिंक वी गो विद 5. That's my team. You go in with 5 bowlers and Mayank Agarwal comes in.
I would also prefer the 5th bowler option.
ठीक है. So you will have
But who
to
is the
wait
fifth
for some
bowler?
time to again appreciate my analysis when the team announces Saha in the 11. Because that
Hopefully.
seems very obvious for me, to be fair. Because test match में you are not looking at utility players. You want someone who can perform his job very well, even though if he is not able to contribute in any other department. So that is how I think Saha fits into the team very well. But okay,
Saha को लेके भी you can have 5 bowlers ना. You don't, if you don't play Mayank. 1 5 Saha 6 and then you have.
But again, Brisbane में, if you are looking at the pitch doing so much, you are not looking at 500, 600 जहाँ पे आपके bowlers थक जाएंगे ना. So it's only 3 sessions for 1 innings. That's all ना. At max.
ठीक है.
क्योंकि यार अभी जो बॉलर्स हैं ना सारे के सारे मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम बुमराह, शार्दुल ठाकुर, मोहम्मद सिराज, नवदीप सैमी सब इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड ही हैं.
Yes.
I जैसे the what you said in the earlier test, right? It looks difficult that they would be able to pick up 20 wickets.
Yeah.
That is the only worry, that अगर आप नहीं लेते हो तो you are anyway out of the game, right? You just have to first make sure that you have enough bowling options to take 20 wickets.
Gabba में they can, but
नहीं, then you're over dependent on, you would be over dependent on बुमराह. ठीक है, अश्विन का स्पिन करेगा नहीं. बाउंस में अश्विन कितना लेगा. हाँ, तो अश्विन का भी पता नहीं है पहली बात तो whether he would be able to be ready for that workload or not. Even if he is, it's not as if the pitch is going to assist him a lot. So you are, I think you would be too dependent on Bumrah. So just to make that easier, I think एक extra bowling option, especially a left armer.
Yeah, I think
that's my call. That's my call.
Yeah. Even I want Nattu to come in, but if they are considering Shardul, then probably it will be because they think he can probably score 10-15 runs. But Otherwise, I think Natarajan should be preferred. You get some variety.
You are not going to get any runs from your last five, that is for sure. Not in Gaba at least. So
Yeah.
that can be some edges flying to third man or fine leg, that's all. Other than that, कुछ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है.
Yeah.
So let's hope it doesn't come to Shastri, because I am sure he, there might be some rule na कि you can't play under the influence of alcohol. So उस तरीके से भी तो
वो तो हाँ उसका वो डोप टेस्ट ये सब भी सब क्लियर करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.